Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have tools. Open VS Code and load your project folder now. Create index. HTML as your entry point and choose HTML 5 shortcut to scaffold. Once done, save and right-click to open with Live Server so you see changes instantly. Make sure to install the Live Server extension if you haven't. It handles automatic reloads and quick testing. This first step removes friction, letting you iterate fast while you build structure and link CSS or scripts. Now build your page structure. Add a head with meta charset and viewport, link a style. CSS in CSS/ and script. JS at the end of body. Use Emmet abbreviations and multi-cursor editing to generate repeated elements quickly. IntelliSense suggests attributes and tags as you type. Once your HTML is in place, open DevTools to inspect elements and test responsive behavior. Make sure to save frequently and watch Live Server reload. This feedback loop shows why organizing assets finish by validating HTML and running manual tests across viewports. You should click links, submit forms, and confirm images load. Once satisfied, prepare files for deployment or commit to Git and push to your remote repository. If something breaks, check the console for errors and correct file paths first. Make sure to clear the browser cache or disable a conflicting extension that might block live reload. This final sweep ensures a stable, deployable HTML project ready for viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.